Yep.
So, write down.
Okay.
So we are going to be how do you spell multiplying?
LE. I guess we're working on math, not spelling today, huh? Multiply. Oh.
Okay.
LY. Multiply. MULTIPLY. Multiply.
Okay, we're multiplying decimals.
Okay. Sounds good.
So let's start easy with 5 times 2 and 45.
2.45?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're doing like one number and the other number. So one number without decimals and the other number with decimals?
Yeah, but you can do it with both of them with decimals.
Yeah, sure.
So first you take the decimal and you move it over to the side, and then you count how many times you hopped and circle it right here. And then you can just do 245 times 5 just normally.
Okay. Oh, they are teaching you the normal way, not like the box method?
Oh yeah, they do that, but I like this way
I like
better.
this way too.
So 5 times 5 is 25, so you carry the 2, then 5 times 4 is 20, and plus 2 is 22.
Cool.
5 times 2 equals 10, plus 2 is 12. Okay, I'm not done yet because this right here is very important. You have to move it back how many times and put the decimal there. But you always move it back from here.
Nice. 12.25. Awesome.
So your answer is 2, 5.
Gotcha. I like your twos.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I usually do it like this.
All right. What happens if both numbers have a decimal?
I'm going to use a different color. Okay. I think it's just a normal thing because if it's, let's say 26.
Did you put a decimal at the beginning?
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Right
cool.
there.
Hey, sometimes I like to put a 0 in front of the decimal to make it like super duper clear that, hey, this number starts with a decimal.
Okay. So now, times, we could do,
Oh, you're going to do both of them starting with a decimal? That's
Yeah.
cool. Okay.
you could do, let's say, 10.
Interesting. Okay.
Then you just move the decimal like before, put 2 up here, and then put 2 up here, and then you can just do 10 times 26, 0 times 6, 0, 6 times 1 is 6, and then 2 times 0 is 0, and 2 times 1 is 2. So add that, 260, and then you take the 260, and since it's this and this, you have to move it back 4 times. 1, 2, 3. Wait, I'm confused.
Yeah, you're right. Just make an empty bucket
Okay.
and then fill the bucket with the 0.
Okay.
Boom.
So yeah.
Awesome. Hey, let me show you a thing. Can I have the stylus? Okay. I like how you made that a 10 because like in your mind you're like, oh, 10 is a number I know, right?
Yeah.
But check it out. Because the decimals keep on going this way, you could keep on going forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and
Yeah, I
ever and
know
never
that.
stop, right? So, oh man, do I have my favorite color?
No.
That's pretty close. I'll do that one. All right. So I'm going to do the same exact one, right? 0.26 times 0.1, right? Watch this. 0.26 6, your handwriting's better than mine, times 0.1.
Well, that's a hard thing to use.
Oh, I guess you're right.
It's really fat.
So they're exactly the same, right? I'll even I'll add the 0 so that's 100% the same as it was for yours. Check it out. Same thing. Actually, I like this too, because moving the decimals, that's cool and makes sense. I'm going to change colors for this. So that's cool to make that a regular number that's just 26, right?
You have to put the 2 so you remember.
So you remember how many spaces you moved it. Cool.
Yeah.
Check this. I can move it just 1 space, and that makes a regular number 1, right? So that becomes 26 times 1. What's 26 times 1?
26.
26. And how many times am I moving that decimal?
3.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 with a bucket. 3 decimal. 0.026.
Okay.
0.026. Right? Last thing I want to show you on that. We'll keep on going.
Use this one.
Oh, I like that color. 0.26 and 0.1. So this is the same exact problem, just one more way. So I'll put the 0 in front. 2, 6 times 0.1. I'll add 2 zeros just to see if I confuse you. First thing that you can do is you can look for those extra zeros and just ignore them, because when you're on the right of the decimal, they do not matter at all.
Yep.
Ignore the zeros. So that's one way to remember it.
But if it's before, it does matter.
Right. So check this out. One other way to do it is 0.26, 0.1, and line up the decimals like that.
That's confusing.
Oh, you don't like
That's
that
how
way?
you do addition.
Oh, that is how you do addition. You're right. Well, let's see what happens here. 0, 0, 0. Right. Okay. 1 times 6.
1 times. Okay.
1 times 2. Actually, that's not good at all. I don't like that at all. You're right. It is confusing. I do like that way better. So moving the decimals out of the way, keep track of how many times you move the decimal, and then
you add
put them back
that
in.
many times.
I like it. Cool.
Yep.
I think I got it. And let's go back and we can multiply. Wait.
That's not it either. That's just 2 dots. P-L-Y.
P-L-I-cation.
Y. Cation.
Does that look right?
Multiplication.
With decimals.
Can I write something?
Smiley face. Cool. Thanks for teaching me that.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Done.
Yep.